Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex market. If this is your first time visiting this channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload new content. Try to like, comment, and refer this channel to a network so that you can get a very high level of audience. In today's video, we shall talk about something that a lot of traders neglect, and this actually trigger conversion of profit into losses. So imagine getting some good amount of profit, and because of a reverse source that affects to go in your favor again, all the profit went to losses. In most cases, the stop loss will trigger. So this topic gonna address these issues. The topic is direction change, loading and stability problems in Forex synthetic market. Direction change, loading and stability problem in Forex synthetic market. I'm going to the chart straight for practicals. There is not much theory here. This actually involve a lot of practicals for you to get what it means. Okay. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I will try to get a direction in the market and see how that direction is changing with respect to time, and then we look at the stability of certain outputs. Okay, because market is input output based event, so in most cases the inputs can be treated as a base while the output is a kind of breakout. Okay, so if you look at this market over a long period of time, it mostly go down than going up, but when it is going up, you can challenge it by thinking that it will reverse immediately to go down. Okay, so an instance is what's happening here. From here to here, the market take an upward direction, right? But you know, some traders that we are holding this market from here to here will not believe what actually has will not believe what has happened along this path. Okay, so what I mean by loading, when a market loads, it actually gains stability in a new direction. That is what I mean by loading. Okay, so let's see when the sell direction loaded. You see there is a pullback here to a major resistance level here, and the market get a sell, so it loaded. So this loading now means you are going to go to like you are going to check the stability of that loading. So you see, this is a resistance. Ever since market break this resistance, it fails to go against it to the upside, meaning that it is not stabilized to go what down. And what happened? The market go down. Okay, now as it's going down, you as a wise trader, you need to check where it will lose loading and stability to the downside. So look at what really happened here. This market actually trade against this last candlestick. Remember that candlestick has high volume, but despite the volume, about 4 candles break above it, and stability was maintained on this support level. So that is a sign. And you
you will know that market cannot just sell forever, and the market has to do with impulses and retracement. So we also need a pullback. At least we need a pullback to this level, and that's what happened. You see the market pullback. Not only that it pull back to this level, it actually break this level to grab liquidity in some other higher time frame. That's why when it reach here, it actually change direction. Now what make it to actually work this way is because of the loading and stability problem. The market actually loads here and stabilizes above this block, and then based on stability, based on path theory, is going to maintain this path indefinitely until it decide to change direction. So you see, it keep creating support and be going up, creating support and be going up until it stop doing such, and the market changes direction to the downside. Okay, so if you have been losing money trading, or you don't have the skill to understand what you are saying or deploy what you are saying in our YouTube channel, all you need to do is to join our VIP signal channels, enroll for our courses of mentorship, and you will actually appreciate the lifestyle. You will actually have the same skill we have, and you will never lose money in trading again. Thank you and bye for now.